Today I am going to be playing Infinite Chef today, as you can see by the setup. And yeah, I won't be looking at you guys very much, but yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with making food. Okay? Now we have so much stuff over here. Water, oil, milk, butter, salt, sugar, black pepper, flour, egg, rice, beef, and fish. I believe there's more, right? Oh yeah, there's more. You just have to search it in. There's no like scroll bar here. No. Let's pick some butter on here. Ooh, you can do that. Yeah, we have the saw blade thing. The thing to pick them up and look at them. And this little thing here. Yeah, there's also the things to make it hot or cold. Let's just add some sugar to them, but we just put water. Glaze the water. Let's start over again. I'm gonna try and take flour, salt, sugar, sweet salted flour. Okay. Would anyone want vodka mixed with, I don't know, vinegar? I also have something to see. Vinegar mixed with baking soda always has to equal fun, doesn't it? Hey, it actually made some smoke. What is this? Water. Which is put here? Soggy bagel. Batter. What if you just, let's try and heat it up. Will it grow? I don't know. Put it to 300, which is the max. And it's not really doing anything. I don't know. I do not know why. You have cake. Cream mixed with cake. Creamy cake. We just add salt, then water, then with sand. Sandbox will stew. Hey, maybe we'll play that game tomorrow. Let's see now. I'm just gonna check if the recording is on. Okay, nothing too bad. Okay. So we have sugar, salt, sweet salt. Can I make a hamburger? Start with the 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 bun. Bottom bun. Then we need a pet a pet a patty. Then lettuce. Then we need some tomato sauce with some mustard, and then the top bun. Now we have tomato, mustard, lettuce, hamburger. Can I make a cheeseburger? Just put cheese like that. And put the top bun. Now we have a cheese. I thought that was gonna be a cheeseburger. I forgot the patty. Beef patty, then top bun. Then we have cheeseburger. Put peas and a carrot. Pea carrot. I thought it was lie. I have a rock here. Wait, a Google Eyes. We have a pet rock. What's a gooseberry? Seaweed. How about I just mash them all up into seaweed juice? How about we do it with a crab? Wait. We have sand. We have seaweed. We have water. And then we have fishies. Look. It's not a sandy fish stew. French fries. Everyone loves French fries. Put it on the plate. The bottom bud. We need the the patty and the top bun. It's a chocolate cup. Oh well, this is basically McDonald's. Anyways, he wants a stick of butter with some sugar, some salt, and oil. Yes, I'm making this an oil buddy. How you can actually build with this. Cool. Salted buttercream. I still like ice cream. What's red 40? I'm gonna make this as red as possible. Why is there no... I can't do anything. Put rice on it. Red rice ice cream. Why can't I... Yeah, put water on it. Let's put fish and some oil. Then let's heat it up. To about like 200 degrees. Yeah, we're gonna... Excuse me, what? I could just pick it out? Oops. It's not getting cooked enough. Okay, I think that's it. So, what do we have here? Fried fish. How about we just... Hey, how about we just put pasta, if I know how to make pasta. I've never cooked before. So I guess it's like this. Cool. Mix. We have pasta, just pasta. Tofu? What is this? Can't, are you... How about tofu with, no, they can't. No, there's no way. Yes, thank goodness there's no way that they put weed in there. Who knows? How could I use weed for food? Just not for food. Anyways. How about we just put vodka and mix it with the tofu? Who wants some vodka and tofu? Beer with some vodka. It goes. How about calf brain? Yeah, Yeah, we're gonna have some brains for dinner. How about cabbage, carrots, frozen yogurt, star fruit? How about just an apple? Alcohol? Wait, alcohol? Okay, just mix it all. Apple, carrot. What if I mixed it with beer? Yeah. Imagine drinking that stuff. Beer vodka. Where did the alcohol go? Yeah. Let me go check outside. Sorry for being a little going out. Anyways, let's get back to cooking with some vanilla beans, vanilla. Basil. How about bone? Bone beer. Pure bone. Wait. Please. Oh no, I don't like the apple juice. I put it up to, how about I put it up to like 300 degrees so when it makes apple juice melts. We get a bunch of apples, caramel. Come on. How about almonds? I like almonds. Ground almond. Apple juice. Apple juice. You can have uranium? Okay, fine. We can have uranium. We can. We can. We can. Some boxos stew. No, I want mine to be a nuclear reactor. Hey, what's random? I don't care. Just put anything in it. Stew reactor. Yeah, how about this? Yeah, put anything you want. Whoa. Biscuit curry. Human salad? Okay. a top a rock with a top hat and eyeballs. Dapper Pet Rock.